Aaron Kromann here to teach you about Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to draw a 3D rock. Okay, so we already have a window open, and I'm going to go to a new layer, make a new layer, and I don't think I have to rough anything. I'm going to go to color picker and make a nice gray, and just put down a rock. Now I can either fill it in, or I can just go to the fill tool, which is also a G on the keyboard. Click it once. And then click it twice to try and get it all filled in, so you don't have that little ring. This one. And now I'm going to go into select, load selection, and here we have this layer 1 transparency. This is the what's in that window, and we're going to hit OK. So now whatever I color, nothing's going to happen anywhere outside this rock. So I'm going to go to paint. Now I'm going to go to the burn tool. And I'm gonna make it a little smaller, maybe nice little soft one. This is the soft round airbrush, and I'm gonna burn it, and we're gonna have the light coming from this way, so it's hitting the rock like this, and make it a little bit bigger. Maybe I'll have it be kind of chipped here. Give it a little extra definition. So I'm gonna make this so we have the little sharp edge to it, and fill it in. And little rocky crags, and it doesn't have to be perfectly smooth. Make it just as messy and everything. It has little rocks and little pits and divots and everything. So just make it look messy. And then we're gonna go and we're gonna get the we hold it down, and then we get the dodge tool. This kind of lightens things up a bit, so make it a little bit brighter. Everybody makes mistakes. So remember, Control-Alt-Z or Command-Option-Z if you're using a Mac to undo. And so I'm going to make this right here, this little plane. And we about got it. So we can also put a little ambient light on the edge. And I'm going to go for the hard round airbrush and put a little edges to the rock where the light's hitting. Okay, so zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna go get a filter. We're gonna use noise, and gonna add noise. And what this does, we're gonna make it monochromatic, so it's all the same color rather than a whole bunch of different colors. Without that, it just kind of be all different colors. And we don't want too much. We want just a fine touch, just a little bit of variation. Give it a little texture. And there's uniform. We want uniform, not Gaussian. And just a little bit. I'm going to enter it in. So put 2 there, just a little bit. And I'm going to move it a little. Then I'm going to invert the selection using Shift Command I, or Control Shift I on PC, and this inverts the selection. So now everything outside the rock gets color put on it, and I'm going to use the soft round airbrush, and I'll go all black, why not? And I'm going to knock down the opacity a little. And then I'm just going to put down the shadow. Try and put the shape of the rock. And make it look like it. There we go. And that helps make it look just a little bit more 3D. My name's Aaron Kromann, and good luck with Photoshop.